Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Goodbudget. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Goodbudget application on your device. And once you open it up, you have two different options. You can either click on Login if you already have an existing account or click on Create New Household. Go ahead and click on the second option. You will now be taken into the registration page where you can enter your preferred email address. Just type in your email address within the email box and then enter your desired password for your account within the password section. You will then need to type in this password once again for confirmation, and now click on the I agree button and then click on Finish. And now you will be successfully registered to your account. Go ahead and click on the Let's Go button, and now you will be logged in to your newly created account on Goodbudget right away. You can now start planning on your budget immediately from your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Goodbudget. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.